Good morning, guys. Uh, Today my demo topic is REST APIs. Now we will start with introduction to introduction to REST APIs. REST API stands for Representational State Transfer. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. A REST API allows two applications to communicate with each other over HTTP, just like how a browser talks to a server. REST API allows two applications to communicate with each other over HTTP. For example, when we open a Swiggy, it calls REST API, and that REST API sends restaurant data, and we will see that list of the items. Like we open Swiggy, it calls REST APIs, and that REST API sends that API sends restaurant data, and we see the list of the data. So this is how REST APIs works. REST API basically acts as a messenger between clients and server. Like there is a client, and in between the REST API and your server. So it acts as a messenger between client and server. Key points of REST API. Key points of REST API. REST is not a technology, it's an architectural style. REST is an architectural style. REST is architectural architectural style, and data is usually exchanged in JSON format. Data is exchanged in JSON format. REST APIs are lightweight, scalable, easy to integrate, language independent. REST APIs are lightweight, those are scalable, easy to integrate, language independent. Like example URL of REST API. Get HTTPS API dot example dot com slash users. Now we will see the differences between REST, SOAP and GraphQL. REST versus SOAP versus GraphQL. Before REST, SOAP was popular. SOAP uses XML, heavy structure, slow and secure but not flexible. But whereas REST uses JSON, light, scalable. GraphQL is more modern, where the client can access exactly the data it's needed. First we go for REST. REST uses JSON format and it is lightweight and also scalable. Whereas SOAP uses XML format data and it is heavy structure, slow and secure but not flexible. Now, now we will see the use cases of REST SOAP. Uh, Sorry, we forgot about GraphQL. But whereas GraphQL GraphQL is a modern where the client can ask exactly what they want, what data it needs. Now we will see use cases of these three architectures. REST is used in web or mobile applications, whereas SOAP uses used in banking. GraphQL used in aggregated APIs. Now we will see the principles and constraints of REST API. Constraints of REST APIs. There are 6 constraints. There is 6 constraints. One is client client server architecture. The other one is stateless. Third one is cacheable. Fourth one is uniform interface. Fifth one is layered system. Sixth one is code on demand. Now we will see stateless. What is stateless? Server server does not remember server does not remember the client. And what is cacheable? Responses can be cached to increase the speed. And what is uniform? Sorry, interface. What is uniform interface? Consistent structure for all endpoints. Example: user user slash id, and the other form is user slash id slash orders. So these are the constraints of REST API. Now we will see HTTP methods and status codes. We will see what are HTTP methods and status codes. First one is post method. It creates a new resource. Second one is get method. It fetches a resource. Third one, put or patch. It updates all or part of resource. Fourth one, delete. It removes resources. It removed resources. It removes resources. Now we will see the now we will now we will see the status code. One is 200 status code is equal to OK. The second one is 201 status code is equal to created. Third one is 400 status code equal to bad request. Fourth one, 401 status code is equal to unauthorized. Fifth one is 404 status code equal to not found. Sixth one is 500 status code equal to internal server. Internal server error. So these are the status codes, 6 status codes present in HTTP. These are the 6 status codes present in HTTP. Now we will see the JSON structure and endpoints. JSON structure and endpoints. Get, for example, pets and get pets and its ID. Post pets, put pets id, delete pets id. Now we will see example JSON. Key value arrays nested objects. Now we will see the JSON exact structure. The structure followed by curly braces, and inside we need to write the key value pair. First ID is the key and the value is for example 12, and we need to separate each of the item using comma. And let's say type, let's say dog. Pet is a dog, so it is a dog type. And the other key is age, and the value is 2, let's say. And vaccinated, answer is true. So this is the format, exact format of JSON. Now, so these are like these are this is the exact format of JSON. Now we will see the difference between endpoint and resources. Differences between difference between endpoints and resources. What is endpoint? First of all, what is endpoint? URL used to access a resource. URL used to access a. Now we will see what is resource. Object represented in the API. Now we will see the differences between URI and URL. URL is full address, full address. Example, HTTPS api.petstore.com pets1. URI is ident identifies a resources. Example, bits 1. Now we will see request response structure. Request and response structure. Now we will see request. HTTP method get post headers content content type bodies only in post or put URL bits. Now we will see the response. Status code headers body JSON. So this is the response. Thank you.